Dear minimuno, says Elibina Unima, and Cowdross, and Quattit to already above him. A boofnu, me too, quine, me mabafio, Utu quine oba, why was phone set a binny bag. I bet now, and a brantiano. This is your last warning. Me timi deal with no biem. Memo chima wo radio so. Baby abehu sanko for me and way. Obama. Any sa boy no basabasa no kasa we no. Sa nipa fi we me and we no. Baby a ubehu omu bia no. See them as people when they get the opportunity, they want to kill the president, they want to kill the president's wife. These are people with that intent. Now, sometimes I me say, nan say metin sambi near to Ghana na nyina ehu de esi. Girl be naughty Peace FM na okama asem na makachira me din kakachira Ghana for say I am protecting the government. I don't have time for termites. But in somebody who I do sometime we need to respond to them. Because I don't say NPP they a party be and one of women does change ni pano. And from the day I see NPP no, it has always been about lies. It has always been about jandam. It has always been about chatro. It will get to a point that people will believe it and it will become the truth. And then I'm there from 1996 ababedu 2025. And it's right now no abua krampa no NPP no jani, because now we all know the kind of people who are in the NPP as a political party. Makacho, it's a killing machine filled with tribal foolish people. Inti nyansa efe de nyansa de chichire man no sa party de binim. Now consistently adebi omude chichire party ne say yentwa tra kodru point bi sa tro ne bedru point bi be no kore, and they are still stuck to that principle. The NPP, they have been lying from day one. And the Obusan say NPP nankasa moti the enti na moti omutumi kanchiro. Omkwa ko bo hini bi din. Omkwa ko bo munana bi din. Omkwa ko bo enton bi din. But Obusan say the enti na yete party nankasa amudi gina omuni answer, because a tribal party yete na himfie. A nipa bi omankasa personal interest ewa konwa ho na mde NPP enya Ghana mpuntu nti ene NPP. Inti NPP no, it is not there to represent any Ghanaian. The NPP is there to represent a small group of royals. So, say royals no do not like what is going on in the party. The party will have to do things, tweak its system to suit sa entono ana ekuono ana ebusiano. So, the political party for the NPP no, it did not come to represent any Ghanaian. And it's not what say, I'm a party be almost a property owning, a japadie. And I would say, I'm a lineage, I'm a brusia, I'm a dear Muye and Yomuchi JJ Rollins, and I say, JJ Rollins can say, Obani Bema Bobra, Nasa Bema ni free one, now Obani free man. I will say Japadie call Bano, and then a moment of time JJ Rollins. If you say, I'm a brabo, I say, Obi Wuna Mimbedia dear. Ya kuwe na webedi adie we free one na webedi adie into my life ring na me mpese me ye djuma me twan mo obi wedi adie. It is property owning party. It is some mentality no me better party. It is our property owning party no ideology no every de omonton mu every omabusia mu every seni omde chiche omankasa ebusia ene omukuo ene na omde form a party. It is our share omo party ni mu a dombo ebusia eye buzi ebusia ena danko ebusia busia enya political party with one vision, one aim that came for the collective good of the people. It is about the interest of respective groups. In this whole NPP nima yaso we buzi ana we danko ana say we domo. They want to know where you hail from. Sansana your address so you nipa ana so we aboa. That is the NPP. Do not get it wrong. Into the party itself as it sits, no, and your party it came to do what? To help any Ghanaian. It came to build on hereditary. A japadia any entonwa ye jaoha and omde brofo kase a political party. Sa MPP no et se omanga se japadia omudin wo fie. There's no difference. So do not get it wrong. Don't be fooled by their slogans and their gimmicks and their foolish tribal sentiments and that kind of personal attacks on people and they assume to me see. You see, oh, where the sebio oye baby ofrinti ebi nom dia eja kobna. You say and they say eja kobna nya santini oya uneni. That is the perception of the NPP animals. Sa wonya ye hu nipa dia o ya boa. Enti se menya hu nipa adenti na mento abama wo mwa na emedi me so. And that is how the NPP is built. It is built from their inner monkey. They have this inner monkey in them. Sa inner monkey no debiano, it always comes out when they cannot defend themselves. Anytime you ask them about their mission, their vision, what they have actually done for Ghana, their inner monkey explodes. And when their inner monkey explodes, the first thing they will say is, "Wonya santini, wonya kani, woya huneni, woya nzimani, woya teni." Their inner monkey, it only shows up when you question them. Inti, the political party NPP, their inner monkey is what I have been exposing for the past 8 years. And they cannot sleep. Because say I'm around and I am the zookeeper. I am keeping their inner monkey. I have the antidote to their inner monkey. So when I touch their inner monkey, they get angry and they start to do what? Say things. Now, I want to address something. Team, stay with me. About you a bit to Peace FM. And matter so bomb din. Wan bomb din free the noon. But me a santini ba. Me a uneni ba, me papa yam fantini a minyini wa santimemu. I want to stress on that. Me ma me free denu, me a uneni. Me a igbeni a uneni akwara me free water region. Me ma me free denu. And I am proud. Me papa yam fantini oye desye. And a minyini wa santimemu. A me tia santikasa. Udi bumi ba me tia siye. Udi di matema me tumye di watemu bi. Inti I am versatile. Me metiano. Me ma obi entna ho enka someone to me so. I will not allow that. Especially when I see say minimum. Now I didn't really know. Me. I know sometimes people when they get close to me, they get to say, and I say we wouldn't know. Me say me, I don't know people. Because I'm out for business and you're my business. Me who get away no or come as some minim ne da. Minim ne da. And I'm going to be very honest. In fact, I had to make my team find and then make me write the name down because me nimuno. You see, Oyejmo Peace FM, your friend Nana Yakunedu. Nana Yakunedu. This is the first time I'm hearing a name like this on any airwaves. Me nimne da. And I don't think Obawe or Babia, Sebio, or Chamia Kwame in anything. But Mete say, or the Makotna Peace FM. A year in summer a baya, a ma, NPP. A ma yuanem rantiam wabia, Omukas Omucha president to con, Omuni Ghana military phobia shahun, Omubeku president, Echana Yere Kono. Saba you away, as some never told her I was say Okebi. Me abayo minimuno have never heard her name before. Minino Ghana. And I'm not a kid. I'm almost 50 years. Me when I felt also I surprised. Yeah. I am almost 50 years. And Chebia na me di 50 years. Enti me nya akwara me when I felt me hwe me husu ye me no mapetishi. Anything I adwene say ana mo bi no mo kasa. Bogi se me sa. Me a small boy. Hwe na ma hwe me husu ye. And Chebia made 50 years. Because I some with that. Also, why surprised? You are shocked. It's a girl where you see a friend, Nana Yakunedu. Now, maybe bought in Sembia Okaye. Maybe I'll respond to her. Now, my Ghana for what you maybe I say, I know a bit to us sometimes also. Kevin Taylor, Eddie or Bartem. Kevin Taylor, I can say to your bar. I know what Busan was say, another na me Kevin Taylor and Cassentia me your bar. And your bar. But I'll address some man way. The person would say in some can wo sa a Peace FM so. Now, there's a difference between threat and insult. So it's not radio, so not TV, so friend who journalist. Now onim the difference between threat and insulter or a Jimmy 4. Now let's listen to this man. I will tell you why I'm addressing this issue.
TikTok swa meti audio ni bi ade na nyamome yanka no kresa nye na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atemu a yesa ne ti ya wokoi de oye ye na ani tosam or the hotel baby, Jana Cote baby, or Beffie, Jana Maneco. Ye shemane tokoswa obi abeka say ono ye jana mane kontu ono so ye but effect no wo ye society so no esosne on political enti moma yenye ahweye na yen calling Crawford to order na yenyai oba besie bie na no kase wo bekum obi meanwhile obehwe kra na bread knife kra wontumi emfa entwa akokoti na wakokasa by TikTok so a meti audio ni bi ade ne nyamom yen ka no kresa nye na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atemu a yesa ne ti ya wokoi de oyeye na ani tosam ode hotel baby dwane hotel baby oba fie jana maneko ye hwe mane tokoso obi abeka se ono ye jana mane kontu ono so ye but effect no wo ye society so no esosne on political enti moma yenye
and in some way na man we yes your friend no nana ya Konadu now NPP mwabi and I threaten president NPP mwa criminals and I threaten president so umbeku president umbecha president yiriti and we a threat on the life of the president and his wife and they said it on social media. And all these people are over 18 years. Now, sir, get where na funu say a bini bag. Na funu say a bini bag. Abetina radio say, eya brantia me didi obiata me bese busa get where na funu say a bini bag say. Da ben na metina radio so didi ono na tem. Na ninsam kikan mu no. Osei me ba Ghana no ena omo gya me ma me kɔ ya sign me ti ma me kɔ sɛ wo ya santini a utia dua na wo ya oba a wondwunso mfa konkom na wondwunso fa wase na wenum enye tan sɛ wase a wana mu ne gya ma me kɔ ye ade obi frame kɔ share dem no ka sɛ me nkɔ kwase aba obi frame me ba Ghana I entered the Supreme Court and I court for na ka jem so mo gya me ma me kɔ ye. The ruling and the judgment is out. You calling yourself a journalist, go and read it. Was there any threat in that case? Edimiko P court no. Was there a threat in it? Why wa funu say bini bag? When num tantan say wase abuo funu. There's threats and there's insult. Me fa plain about Ghana for lawyers ekojina Supreme Court at the respect my court no. Ono kwasi ati P7 mkase eno mujaa me ma me koye na utipa ni Supreme Court no why na woka asasa antikasa na kire no wafunu se a bini bag size B why na ojaa me ma me koye. Do you know how much I spent on legal fees to get a lawyer to represent me in the Supreme Court of Ghana? So if you don't respect the Supreme Court now why dwimu no ujimi na wenum tantantan sa wase no sanka onim nyansa sanka obe ready a judgment no ebusa won say e dey na ba carry copy court. I was insulting, I wasn't threatening, and there's nowhere in the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana say wo our phone say bini bag me do whatever you can take me on in court as a criminal. Where Jimmy Canada Japan eka say me di na tem wan fa ma court to America. He came to court and amebwa wenum tantan sa wase abuofunu wafunu say bini bag Canada Japan ba America ha wan from court. Did I come to court? I represented in court. My lawyer I representee me spend over $200,000 to face Canada Japan in court. Kwasia we juma we bo jantra wenum kalas no one $200,000 da. I met Kennedy in court because Kennedy said me dinner tem. Mention Kennedy in court. Do you know how much money I spent? Mete America and a judge be say makase tiano one kase ma threaten the life or say makase tia case or teso your from Supreme Court me ankasa na me fa me plane ticket try me first class ticket me ne me yere ne member over $40,000 kwasia and na me ba Ghana and na me fa lawyer 6 and na me rush Supreme Court and na mo making me case mame and na the Supreme Court in their own wisdom and respect, they listened to my argument and said, yes, he can walk. Because judge in the decision of taking it was wrong. Why when you bagaya say, Ponkwa ya say, Ado Kwasia Betnauna, a brantene a jar man koy. Why in a jar me koy? Huh? Why in a wagana or jar me koy semenko? Munya Munkwasia politics in Namo ya. And I want to set record. This on record. So what Ghana now see me do what you want to sue me? You have every right to sue me. For 8 years, mini abema wafunu say bini bag for 8 years. Wafunu sa santifo bentwa. Wafunu sa santifo bentwa. Kwasia for 8 years. So obi say me dinatem a etiamra ade ni pana from Anko Court. For 8 good years, unkwasia party no a power no. So obi say me dinatem na so ohwe se me bu Ghana mraso a ade na sandi pana am from Anko Gina Court say me dinatem. Na enkwasiafo we jimi a deal with their matter. What has it got to do with me? Ade me ba Ghana no obi di me ko gina office bi no ka say me ne obi na hye dem yesi me nko. Kwasiaba ummu court no unnim nyansa. Judgment me de ma o ridi kwa wonte ase. Ade abodi peace FM o say journalism. Kwasifo. Ade na modi peace FM na mo ye no o say journalism. Say yesi ko kan we na we mu na omo ba ye no anopai na esuasua say we san kwasi ade na nya journalism. So free peace FM e years na o kwa jinsa e de na betuma ye. Huh? Obetransa abrantie na na obaye no na okotete ya abuofunu mebo bra na oboja ntra obantema misi so mebo bra na wo kwasi aba na oboja ntra obantema masa samu jimi no mon kwasi ade na abesi muso bo party ni free power na munyina madane mmoa na mo kasa jimi mu no don't try me enye se memo akoma bontem he ubetuma betena sa ade kankan na mutim se peace FM no abaye ho se wonte memo akoma bom na ate we jimi Imrante ni mama what social media say omubeku president omubetwa ne yiriti Nana Dan Kweku for a sentence obi just sentence somebody just to allegedly say or plan say obeyeku yekohu kitchen knife ne asoni ade Nana Kweku do ejeli nkofo for life kwase a wotena radios wan kasa mesi wanum tantan say wase aboa why wafunu say a bini bag size B abetena say dey and na brantie na Kwame that's why don't who don't fancy kanje he Kwame that's why with all due respect me when I activate they be ameka me say me I don't go I go for the baby moja ni free so one kasa nkyere won twen na omguo na I will not go after them I will come after you yeah Kweku otin kobusa Kweku otin me sa won kwase afo omgugu peace FM no if you don't speak to them Nana Dan Kweku Fuado, ye ka say obi di kitchen knife aso ene a bentwa Ekufuado ka say amfani nkotum for life. Kwasi aba we not peace FM or demonstration. Mon kwasi ade na muditi radio so no me I'm not going to warn atchide aba we. I am going to send my message to Kwame despite massa. Una otua ne ka. Me besa me tia koma no bebi amoja no kone de emfa me ho. So you have to talk to your pigs or peace FM. Because me menia son na me namo. Sa de way me see so ya me journalism me born din da me nim nimpo. I don't know this piece of shit. Me nim mba mo hotia o kasa nyansem and I will never disrespect oba onim nyansa. San kwasiafo e de o kwasiasem. Na so mo address you address them. I came to Ghana, I went to court, I hired lawyers, I dealt with the matter, I was in the Supreme Court, I showed the court respect. So be say me maka asemetiano na me di na tem no ontiasia there's still the court there 8 years ade na nkwasia for manko court so obi di obi atem na say eye boni ade na manko court mo jimi ohun mo hu fi na mo di gugu Ghana hodom no mukoko sa mu vocational school wie na yesi mo dia mo voice pa na okodu nkan a Kwame that's why bebo mo akota radio so me enya me nchiri na mo de besa nkwasese no beba wo enya me dan echi e na wo de waforo na yesi bini bag na size B na 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 Ghana wonum tantan say wase abuofunu come and retract that statement. Do you know I can even take you on? Wana mo ne ja me ma me koye wana mo ne ja me ma me koye who are you referring to? Won tia santin chen obi a o wonum na etan a enchese wonim nyansa chen obi a omo mo ma me koye na wana mo ne ja me ma me koye be cheche sa kasa nim. Do you respect the court? Such a filthy, dirty thing. My who fin am na Ghana ho. Huh? Why are you referring me to a matter that does not concern me? They are all over 18 years. So why are you bringing me in? Why are you putting me in there? Why are you putting me in there? What have I got to do with Nkwasiafo MDD? I'm the president at times I'm president. What have I got to do with it? Am I the only person who has insulted in Ghana Kwasiaba? Am I the only person? Oh, who feels up off it? Can you insult a judge? If you can insult a judge. Can you Japan and Asefo? Kwasiadom yan Ghana. What's that on a mubube? Muhu fin. Hey, some moto susa. Namase susa. Mumpe bucket is being got no. Namima charging a minamo. Someone says susa. Someone say esusa. Mumpe 34 bucket being got na so. Mema bodamo. And intina for some time I don't entertain animals like you people. My job here is to teach Ghanaians, educate Ghanaians, tell Ghanaians the truth for them to believe in the government and do their bit, for the government to do its bit for us to build this nation. Me need time. Into are you talking to the judges? Mr. Nanaya Konadu, are you talking to the judges? Oh, really? So when I come right now to take you to court for you to prove to the judges, can you explain that? Anyhow, yes, I can't deal about them. When you tantansa was say, wafunu say bini bag, abet now, and a brand ya or buy ya. What time quabroche now? Who could out in the cheap and just a bola bed and now who know? Huh? Draw smooth thing. Munya Monsamoka, don't reference me. So be a Ghana, no see me dinner tem. Now I can say etiamra on family court. You are not the one to refer because as some see them me din kan. Omo TikTok, omo Jimmy Omon, I wasn't there. Omo finances ankofo no, and then the omo di omo police station no. It is ankamu nyansa. Ankamu so make say politicians omo di sankwase for the police station. Eko beli omo no. Why don't you have a problem with those politicians? Moyan kwasiafo ntia asante sem na di mutrim e mo kwasia peace self abodinti. You cannot ask a relevant question. Abrantie ne so obetwa president ti e on the platform so omo beku president obi akosi santua begu social media ne ache omo a oso obusa wo say why na kodi aginemu me yi omo nipa na kodi aginemu me yi omo no one na ye problem no nipa na okoye surety one na oba say one na obedi aginemu me yi nipa na why so beku president na yire no. Those are the people you question. Why who tan say bentwa abetena we kan kwase asem e na brantie no ye gya na mane koye no. Why na gya me ma be koye adam me buy no obi ehumi court. Didn't you fucking see me in the Supreme Court? Now then Supreme Court no uti pani omo unimum writing court for no. Let me play the audio again for you to listen. Kwase aba
amuti TikTok so a meti audio ni bi ade na nyamom yenka no kresa nye na no papa ya ono edi nkrofo atemu a yesa ne ti a wokoi de oyeye na ani tosam ode kote baabi dwane kote baabi oba fie gya na mane ko ye hwe mane tokoso obi abeka se ono ye gya na mane ko nti ono so ye but effect no wo ye society
be fie gya ma me ko kwase aba ukuru da na ba no gya ma me ko ye Jimmy Foba. You don't respect the court, right? Why in the jam me koye? You don't even respect the court. Also I some journey. Kwasi aba tantan sana me en some journey. O sorry ne ye we ge hehye wo nyina free ho a o chandua. O gira we untumi fa wo nan on sansi form. Ye ka se kuntumu fa on sansi form a untumi fa on sansi form. Why say banchi boto? Kwasi aba. Why in the jam me koye? Why na ukunu ne mpra na oti race course no. Ukunu mpra na oti labadi no. Oni ne jam me koye. Ujimi amemo akuma bo. Ujimi amemo akuma bo. Me, I was hiding somewhere. Na metite baby or chamber. Me na metite baby. Baby na metite. Me ba krom ha police che me organa ho. Kwasiafo na me de bia maka me se mo nya me target o. Kwame despite no. So we ntu no hofo. Now I'm finding palm beguni radio no so a ebefono no. Me show no respect for a long time. Mo CEO Kwame despite no. Masa, obi ani Ghana no huni asemo. I am saying this on authority. And I'm going to say this again. Obi ani Ghana onam wa ne huni asem. Samo pese e bodama. Baby amuji mu pay free me cut no off. Me samo pese mu se ma bodama. Baby am draw mo salary no me cut no. And I know how to do it. Obi ani Ghana we finchimo. Fefe na efe se oba akomirika do kutare nufu. Ebuo de ma nipa bi. Na mo me ye change gears a ye nyina ye ho be tan. De minimu no sense eri bi na wunima anka wo draws anka watete to no de abo hwinim abofunu mi tu kwan me ma ba fie o utu kwan oba wa funu se e bini bag abetena ho and abrantie no. This is your last warning. Me ti mi din wo wonum biem. Mema chima wo radio so. Me say, and I'm sending this message to your husband. Me say, this should be your last warning. Me ti wo din wo wanu biem. And I'm sending this message to your CEO. I've taken care of business. Now, one or two things we were me pese me magana for whom. Boys, we are criminals. These two boys and this lady, they are criminals. They should be treated as criminals. They are still under criminal investigation. Obi abewu emrantie we ene sa aketesi bia no. Hu omu se omu ya kromfo a, they are an enemy to the state. Oma dwinimu no omunya president omeku no. Per the police report a yenyina yehu. Any the reasons why intia ye from police station and the Ghana Police Service afresa enkwasiafo mienu we criminals we. Sa enkwasiafo we omunya president omeku no omunya wudi omubedi. Inti baby omu be very careful about them. You have to protect yourself. Baby abehu sanko form yensa we SirObama ene sa boy ne ho basabasa ne ho kasa we no sa nipa fi we miensa we no baby a ubehu omu bia no see them as people when they get the opportunity they want to kill the president, they want to kill the president's wife. These are people with that intent. And do not see them as ordinary people. Be very careful, be cautious when you are around them. The police are taking cautions to make sure, say, these people don't get out of hand and don't go out there to put that plan in our omashisheno because omo kafri omano mamuhuye that omo per president ni abamu ni peku omo, and that is what they want to do. Until when you see them at night, in the morning, during the day, you the person wa ube woman show musu ye. I will say because they are a threat to our security. The president of the Republic of Ghana is dear to me, and the president should be dear to you. And this will be body trim at the intro and in your good social media say, sign your way now was for the president. Next will be social media. A brand here, Ababawa, Eka say, your president, ye be chanity, ye be kuno, sign conforno, don't treat them as uncophobia omuya light. They are dangerous people, and you people should be careful the way you deal with them. And baby, be very cautious. Protect yourselves. These are very bad people. And I'll be reminding Ghana for every single day about these people. I'll be reminding these people every single day about Sanko Fowe. There are 3 criminals. From what we have on record right now, no, they are planning to kill the president, and they are saying, "Say, omunimukofo military moi through our political party, NPP, no, they have information that they know how the president can be killed, the president's wife. These are dangerous people, and you need to know, say, these are people and you say a treaty almost say normal people on the street. You're very careful, baby. We should be careful about them. We should not just see them as ordinary people. SirObama, yes, I could have Fante and Abiwo said these are NPP criminals. They are NPP criminals. Mede omo maamenom, omo papanom, omo yirenom ne omo mba pictures ba bekyeremo. We need to know who they are. Deep down, the people they move with. Omo girlfriends, nipa omo ni omo koba. Mede omo maamenom pictures ba bekyeremo because these are people omo bo mutim so omo beku president ene ne yire. And our assignment now is we are getting pictures of their relatives to let Ghana for to know the kind of people are for in case anything happens to the president, happens to the wife of the president, happens to any government official, we will know these people, their families. We will put their pictures up. And it's a job we are doing now. We will make sure we will expose them. We will reveal their identity. At least we will know say movement, this is what they want to do. Now, police report this is what the police told us. Let me read the police report. And this is the reason why I make us say hardened criminals. They are dangerous people. Police want to say police statement on the arrest of Daniel Adumaku. Boy na nenim sampri say tete Johnny Bravo cartoon no. Say Fante no. And Prince Ofori and 2 others. Now, Osei, the Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other security agencies, has arrested Mr. Daniel Adumaku, known as social media as SirObama Pokuase. NPP by 8 years. Kwasia we yan to draw some bomb no. And so now, earlier today, his arrest is part of ongoing intelligence-led operations by the police and other security agencies aimed at dismantling networks involved in the illegal possessions and display of sophisticated weapons. He is assisting investigations into some images and videos he circulated on social media depicting individuals openly brandishing these illegally acquired sophisticated weapons. Police force say adikudiye jom kochi SirObama. And then they say oni akromfo tetwa amoaboaten awufuo bi akosesa intuo akogu baby na sebio omo akotwa ho videos ene ho pictures ene ono SirObama no ede abegu TV so say sa intuo ene akonde we na sebio yedi bedi dream abeku president ene ne yire ene aban mu mpenifo SirObama no ene me picture kirem no one ne akokɔ red no. Okay, letter na police for the buy na enie. These operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of a substantial number of illegal arms and ammunition. Into SirObama Pokuase no. I'm find a picture to us. Send a beya. Emfa we so. Kwasiafo. Bonki de work baboon de chop. Emwamba. Onye. Anomana o share red no. Onye friend SirObama Pokuase no. On a police for or the weapons. He's somebody who is hiding illegal weapons. A tool as sebio emra eman hokwan and omude kogu dan bimu. Well, NPP for they are criminals. And omude kogu dan a tool bullet bomb. Pia just a nyoma ye di ewu. Akondi ewu die. And almost sako good them, and the police is only now watching me and sa a diomon tentenwa. Inti a tuona sebio a ya crony tuo, ya di body pacuno, a ya dian, a ya grenade, but the bomb. Sign your manana, sebio omodia kugu baby. Inti police for ye and shishamu a diomo tentenwano, and omokochi SirObama where or ya MPP ni, or ya MPP communicator, or ya Jumama MPP. Akosha menu and a sponsor no. A money sika, a money tossa nyoma no. Sa SirObama way, police for the 10-10 now watching me and sa. And omo den, omoko so ni mu. Na o kan krata na, almost ajuja bibim, mami jujo munchiro. Akronfo ma way. Inti akoko red no, oni de friend SirObama Pokuase no, kweku ba akwara ano no. Mr. P, do you have anything for me? Bloggers go chop. In a related development, 3 other persons, Prince Ofori, Yaya Abiu, and Emmanuel Kwachre, are in the custody of the police assisting ongoing investigations into cases of threats, of death, and publication of false news following the recent helicopter crash. Into almost after Obama pokuaseno, and Kuko Mienu no Makano, almost police etchi omo. Adaya, almost eshe kukwasem, eshe ayadian, almost she kukuom, and almost social media, and almost say, almost person omu president in a yere. Boy, and who fee way, and the NPP na ya fuama in Jankama way. In Kwasiafo, omu twintop. Key sopingare, where mu fee way. The omu be decry omu ding. Me the omu ma menom, omu papanom, omu nyanum nyina pictures ba bechiremo. You will see something. Now, the police service reiterates its unwavering commitment to ensuring the safety and security of all citizens by rooting out criminal elements. So, Sanko Fowi, police ni who so a criminal element. So police because we a criminal element. We are there. We are owudini. We are omambofo. We are obia sebio ye jawa utumi kunipa. You have criminal elements. Ewo system nim. You say we have criminal elements. Yawa ewudie hu akandie nipa bi ewo oman nim. Sana police ehu sanko fowi. Osei Brofuni said, rooted out criminal elements and preventing the proliferation of illegal arms. Inti sa kronfo we ni ewudi fo we a omye NPP fo mano. Police say omu tu oma safely o nim send ye beya menewo sebio Ghana betuma ye de. The law is the law. Inti meno ka say and Ghana brand kire say kronfo kra wo china o ho kwan say ono so bebusa bill. Inti and Ghana Police Service for Eddie Mrano so Eddie bail amas unconfirmed miensa we. And on Chresa Assembly Switcha. A Chresa investigations is all going. That means say they can call them tomorrow to court. They can call them tomorrow tonight to assist them into Sanko for Obia Huntono. Today, Sanko for who President Mahama and then a year some more event to be asia Sanko for me and so we obubet to me for Kutikwaso Akofa Edian a tuobi Akobo President Mahama into only a dangerous people. They are criminal elements. It is from the police report, investigation report, a say send President Mahama ewo krom na ebi okodi dwumabi one ne yere ene ne ma ene Ghana penifo omo chichire Ghana no so omo kodi dwumabi na sa Obama we ene boy ya denim se esie ene abayo ya denim se fork sa nkwasiafo miensa we uhu omo ho a omo ye criminal elements omo ye criminals. They use illegal weapons. They want to kill the president. So we are not supposed to allow these people. And it's also we are not supposed to give them too much room. Me de omo maame, omo papa, omo nuanom, omo kununum, omo mma, me de omo busuafo nyina pictures ba be good TV no so, and me wiase nyina hu the kind of people who are their relatives. Sene be ya se bibi to aban mu nipa na ehu omo a ye be chi omo. From ende say ye bo obi to wa aban mu, ye ku obi wa aban mu, say minister bi NPP, say president ho ka san kwasiafo miensa we, ene omo a ye hwehwe omo no omo ena sebio Ghana e wo se ye ni san omo. Say John Mahama na ne yire omo mo retu san kwasiafo we na wo se ye ni san omo. Ene gina me pese me de omo busuafo nyina pictures be kire mo. Inti ye nya omo a ne yakobuso omo busuafo ne se na mo mana omo kan mre bi so omo beku president omo beku ne yire de na osie tuo osie bomb no omo wo he because omo busuafo ne betuma kire e bebi omo wo. Inti I'll come and display their family. All right, now, many more we Makacha Ghana for say, we respect the law. Now, Sam Kwasiafowi, look at Mr. P. Mr. Oshe Sam Kwasiafowi na yesi police for call mo dem na oshe edan ya mo dem awurade Ghana pa na bucket a omudi dware oba abrochire a bucket di dware mponko enu bi na omudi dware wo modem hwe bucket a yase den eyi bucket a ewo modem omudi dware hwe bucket a ewo esi dem omudi dware bucket di dware mponko abrochire ene na nkwasiafo we di dware na omo nam Ghana say omo ye NPP communicators omo momu say omo beku president hwe bucket a ewo modem omudi dware oba abrochire ye di dware mponko ye sansuo ne de detol egum di dware mponko na ase nipa we hwe bucket gugu omo dem hwe ade bi gugu omo hwe napkin bi ase de pipa bini san kwasiafo we tete Ghana and a whole political party as NPP. These are the people they are telling you say omo the party need power. Mr. P, show me them. Show me them. Na kwasia we to social media di watam. Me kraman wo krom ha. Me kraman on das ade we mu. Enti ede na akwa we ka asema na ya wo ya. Hwe dan ya omudem. And yet TV so yes SirObama pokwase wafre. Kwasi ade he ewurade nyankopon. Na yetumi tena Ghana. Ewu ha ye show saa wo TV so. Na ya say Kwame sefa kan na di baby oni obi. Yetumi ye show na minister kasa yes o twaso yes SirObama pokwase afre. Yes wa text. Kwasi we ponko bucket no di dware. Kwasi we so tinkran. He say ko hwade ma meti entabuom. Ne ma meti ntabuom tete latest form no daso. Kwasi we tinkran. Na Kwame sefa kan John obi kwasi ampanyi na ye discuss issue a minister to make us minister twen SirObama pokwase a text into ye bekan ade we ponko bucket no di dware. Urade bucket we di dware ponko ko Minnesota na ko Kentucky baby Kentucky race no ye de ponko de ye de sansuo gu ponko ho na kwasia we say ono na Ghana we mu na NPP for said ye meti o mo family chichire man ne enfo mo mbra power na yeti tweet na TV so na Kwame sefa kan obi kwasi ampanyi no na bo say otiwa ya say oh show no sources bi a text ye say Obama pokwasi a text na ye jai show no na kwasi awei hwe no fi wei ponko bucket na sini dem inti na ye tie say Obama a text NPP ba power 8 years kwasi awei o mutuma hwe ne sakraman hwe no ho 8 years ne ma metin tebuom ko bena tenkran en ponko bucket no di dware osa no de o de support etwa na se kwasi awei sen kwasi afo ma wei ehiafo ma wo ena mu use omo wo hwe omo nim omo gugu a ehiafo ma omo hu fin omo ko school papa bia omo ni any life insurance omo ni nothing asam to na eche agigi sika e de boa no asam to na eche agigi sika ye go fund me we mu omo che imponche a na ni nyina ne se omo de bucket imponko bucket ni dware we omo che imponche a omo che se omo bucket the difference in your appointed to me ko to bucket san kwasiafo ehiafo ma we adantra for ma we they have nothing to their names and these fools will sit on social media and then they want to tell you say utie omo abra omo papa no ma mobra omo papa no ntuma ama omo bra papa we mu mesi asabuto omo nde malaria ball mu 2 days a ekire agigi sika de hwe omo yesi oba no ye hairdresser oba kwa hwe ne salon ho konkwesi wo nyina enkunim activator ba kuponi ho na oba kwasiaba social media NPP wabetena ho said yen social media nti na yatumi tena hwe aso me ka beka se me boa hwe Paul Adomo chiri kwasia we otumi betena TV so yes Paul Adomo chiri ye show okay now we break it osia den a SirObama pokwase hwe
example any other remark
SirObama pokwase
I know him. I know him.
He says, how about making the voting day a statutory public holiday? Wouldn't you agree that it will erase this issue of voting having to end at 3 p.m.? And lastly, Prof. Janto, why have you blocked me on Facebook?
Oh, you have blocked SirObama Pokwase.
I don't know what he's talking about. Please, I have not.
He's called SirObama Pokwase.
Obama, maybe you were insulting me. But I don't think I have people who manage my account, and so sometimes they do some of Obama, maybe reach me privately, we'll sort that out, please. Okay. I think you are a nice guy. I mean, people have been hearing your
name. In na jump so abetina ho. Omo address Obama de say nipa. Ewrade yagopo. Hwe nkwasi de ne Ghana kro nim. Say Obama Pokwase no nie. Me de ne ma ene ne yere picture ba be kire mo. Ye be expose obi a. Ye be hu be de obi a ye. Ye de cameras be di omochi. Ni amo ate ase se o man na ye kekere no president hu hia ye. Yetumi tina ho ne yetie show. Yes say Obama Pokwase bia text obagye say akobi ote office bia sebio wa employ nipa bia wa bobra a sebio otumi tuaka. Emponko bucket ne sine dem. Nipa fi we. Imbre bia meka say Ekufuado ni certificate. Na kweku ba ko na ni say watch no. Wakofre boy we ko chocho nyoma bo Facebook tia Kevin Taylor. Kwase we kweku ba ko use no. This is what I keep talking to you guys about. Sure? Si yekasi expose obia omukase of social media, ubenu hu se utie nkofo bi o social media. Yekasi ye expose obia o social media. Ye de omu nyina picture seba na ye kire omu nyina omu ase a. Me say you'll be shocked. Ebaya wo ya say nipa bi o krampo a. You sit and you listen to them on social media. You'll be shocked. Inti unwo bi disa Paul Adomotri. Na wabetna TV so. Na o read text message. Say oh say Obama Pokwase into talk say oh Paul do nim nyansa o and say Obama we there or ye nipa bia wabo bra onim nyansa hwe nkwase asem.
This to me he's writing to us from Pokwase and he says Paul Adomotri, the General Secretary of the NDC, Johnson Asidun Katia, alias General Mosquito, minutes ago on Asempa FM's flagship program, Ekosi, saying, describe your political analysis as one tantamount to a village lotto forecaster analysis. As an unrepentant viewer of your super classic show, Good Evening Ghana, I am deeply pained and will want you to know. Please marshal all the forces and address General Mosquito's name calling very well on tonight's show. Please, P.S. He says, if you fail to do so, I will stop watching your fine political program forthwith. Don't disappoint me. Bless up. Thanks for understanding. Sincerely, Sir Obama. Obama is calling us to war. Obama, don't stop watching the program. Don't stop. Don't stop. You continue watching the program. But all we have to say about Johnson Asidun, so those of you who are hearing all this for the first time, 2 weeks ago or so, this to me, he's right.
I keep telling you, now Tifie, oh, Paul Adomotri ready akwebi say friend say Obama Pokwase message. Onye. Ponko bucket in the sine dem. Yes, I need a high power more we who. Won Polish is you to and already aquano de ponko bucket no the message and I want to say where did the boom in on to mean talk 34 bucket to what up ponko bucket Sandy passing and yet one yet Ghana say we my friend ya koto aba because say Obama Opokwase bi kwase bia kan sem bi on to mean hwe no kon I say why shana him hwe no kon hwe nsa hwe ba kono so kwase ampanyin no hwe ni ti ho hwe ehia fo ma omo ho fin me say me de omo ma me nom ne omo papa nom pictures ba be kire mo bohu me ba be kire mo omo ma me nom papa nom me be kire omo pictures e ho na mo be ka say ehia ya ka say ohia buburo e de so be ka say wagimi no bi so aka ka say wagimi bruta me be kire mo ohia buburo we mu ehia fo ma mema omo ma menom akoma bo brim mema omo papa nom omo yere nom omo nipa ebe omo akoma bo mema Ghana hu omo si bi omo tie mema the young people in Ghana they will understand say politics no enya jandam ready politics enya atro me di we mu be set example wo Ghana Erade Nyankopo Guy we yase ne maame yare serious Japan water region ofri. Awonani aboa. Yase maame guy we ne maame yare ontumi mpo hume. Ne maame yare owu ani. Metumi bottom sika ahwe ne maame anante. I'm telling you, me nyo Nyankopon, but I can financially help ne maame. And so kwasi aba we to social media, ogin so bi anim. Why bem set it pano kekan kwasi asem aden a NPP asante for party. And omoka chele say did atem aden Kevin Taylor did atem me see di atem ne ko di judge atem ne hwe. The difference between me and wo. Who was scared before lawyer? Most of them mama names. Maybe show ohia bubro ye wo ohia ene wo ohia bubro ye wo Jimmy ene wakase we Jimmy bruta maybe show ohia bubro we mu omo ebusuafo ye hiafo erade de omo de aba no omo nu omo ho he mema omo bi omo busuafo nya heart attack ewu me say sankofo we omo maame nom no papa nom mema ebie nya heart attack ewu sibia omo mma percent nkofo papa nom wu no me de omo ensema beto social media ama wiase hu who they are. Me betre omo ase sene be ya oti social media no so and whatever social media whatever you call it also wusie nyansa e wo so ye den wusie nyansa omo jejje din echi ehiafo ma ya ma 500 Ghana 1000 Ghana entumi nye bibia ma omo. They are using these fools. Oh, omo ne nam de dade domu fie for almost 2 weeks. Nanko for the dade cells. Adia chia no ma begina mo ye no problem. Ye be buawati ye be yimo no ma kofie no mo jantra fo akoda. Eyi akosua be ne hwene se bini no ne kunu akoda. Ono ne politics owo mu no. The money relevant ne se okobo jantra no ko ware eye den mak menu ba eno ano no. Akosua menu ne hwene se bini. Owia na akoda ni kunu so wabutu no na ne tibo da ho na panyan na do kwasi other cells. Osi han ye be wini wate NPP de wagimi ebi ani and mumu bebre no ebe pamo. Ehiafo asefo bubro. Ehiafo bubu bubro. Ehiafo ma ye ka se ehiafo ma ye wo mo ba asase so no. O kan papa to omo maame ebesi omo so a omo nya 10,000 Ghana mawo ehiafo ma we mo buburo we metuma adapt omo say metuma be orphanage ma adapt omo ahwa omo we mo I can take care of them till they die metuma hwa nkofo we mo mowu we mo tiwa so mekum president omo di tuo ba be say Ghana I can take care of them metuma hwa omo say nkoko I can take care of them memo mo 3 square meal a day. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the essential food nutrients. I'll give them balanced diet. Wemo, metuma show me till say they will die. Metuma show me I can take care of them. Kwasiafo is a threatening president. Na ye can. Na wo nana ya Konadu we num tantan sa wase. Entity social entity Peace FM. Kase na abrante bi ba e jama ne koye. Wunni ne jama me koye. Wunni e ne jama me koye. Kwasiafo ma